We're in Blythewood, South Carolina today, and we're excited to be here because we're going to be giving a mortgage-free home to a deserving veteran. The atmosphere here has been ecstatic. Everybody's really excited about the opportunity to be part of such an experience, to be able to see the joy on their face, to be able to see the excitement and the surprise of the little touches that we put into the home. There's nothing that compares to it.
I am still personally proud of the accomplishments that Pulte and our organization AAM has done in order to get these homeowners into this home. As a veteran myself, I understand the need, the desire to want to serve and help the individuals that have served our country. So for me, it's near and dear to my heart, but I think overall it's kind of doing the right thing for those veterans that serve.
We really hope this home brings you many years of comfort and great memories. It is our honor and privilege to be able to build a home for you and to give you a mortgage-free home. And so may God bless you and your family, and hope you enjoy the home.
I am proud to lead an organization that helps tens of thousands of military families each year. And our mission as an organization is to build strong, stable, and secure military families so that they can thrive, not simply struggle to get by in the communities, our communities that they have worked so hard to protect.
The trades, the vendors, our partnerships, those are the people that truly deserve the credit. They're the ones, the blood, sweat, and tears went into this build. It's going to give them a lot of memories to take away from this, and it's definitely been a great experience for everyone involved. I promised myself I wouldn't get emotional today, but obviously I'm getting a little emotional. It means the world to us, and it's a lot of memories, and just so proud to be a part of this.
I just want to thank you guys so much. I hope that your new home has the impact on your life that you've had on us, and thank you so much for your service.
To all the donors, builders, and anyone who has hammered a nail, painted a wall, planted a tree, and written a kind note or a message on the wall, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. This home is more than our forever home. It is a reminder of the sacrifices of many heroes who did not have the chance to return from combat.
This house for my family and our future of being here in Columbia means everything to us. Some of the hardships we went through was definitely deployments, being at home by yourself with the kids, and for me, my family lives in England, so I never had my family around, but I did have my military family.
The hardest thing about the hardships is when I got out, actually. My kid was like, where are we gonna stay one night? He's like, do we have to move again? That's when we were staying at Airbnbs, bouncing around the Columbia area. Lo and behold, we got in a rental, and then my son brought home that Operation Homefront and filled it out, and then here we are.
We definitely feel embraced by the community, and just the fact that our kids, are still going to be able to go to the schools that they're at now. We don't have to move again.
The bricks and beams of the home that will be forever a reminder of the strength of this community and the gratitude we hold for those who protect our freedoms.
Our veterans gave a blank check to the nation to do what needed to be done when it needed to be done, with nothing asked in return. If we can give them something as simple as a home to stay in, it's worth it.